welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back to watch this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to want to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a Beebeecraft craft share, a project share. I would also like to take this time to remind you about Beebeecraft's partnership with YouTube program, where if you have 100 subscribers or more, you could possibly work with them and receive products for your video, your reviews and stuff. I will have that link in my description. I encourage you to check that out. It's I have a good time doing these videos, and I really enjoy their products. I had done an unboxing, and I'll link all that down below. And these are using the tag dies. All of these came in a set, and I will put the price right here, how much these were, but these all came in a set. And then you had these little bows right here for this one, this little scallop punch, two of these right here that came with this one, and this crown right here, and then this one came with a little flower with it. And so we can start right here with this one. So I cut out these with it. You can see how well it cut these edges very well. I cut all three of these. So that goes with this one. And then we have, oh, this one was probably my favorite one. I just love how this looks here. You can see how clean that this just cuts, so clean. There's no issues with these dies whatsoever. And then this one, it's just your, you can do that. You can use these tags either way you want to, I guess, but so I will be using mine this way. And then this one is another one of my favorites. I just love how this comes down to a point, and the jagged edges on here, like the scalloped edges. I just love that. You can just see how well it cut. Wouldn't have any issue. I ran this through one time. Okay. So I'm going to make some tags. These are going to be sent. I'm probably going to be a little late, but these are going to be sent to Canada for a flat mail challenge. So I want to keep them kind of flat. So we'll do one tag at a time, and I think that I will start with my favorite. Okay, here we go. This is the finished project. You see, I just inked around that little butterfly. This is this die here. So I just love this edge here. And then this is this die here. I think this turned out so pretty. And then this is this die here. And then this scallop circle here is with this and this one that goes to this die. And then this bow came with this die. So that's what this, it punches this out. And then this is this die here. I just think I just love these tags. I made some tags. I just cut some tags out. Really, yeah, let's cut tags. But these are like really my first tags that I've ever made. I wanted to make these for a challenge, but I'm not sure if that's what I'm gonna do with these. I need to check and see. I know she wants ephemera. I don't know if this is considered ephemera. I don't think it is. I'm gonna see. Check out some of her videos and see. If not, then I may make some type of spring journal to put these in. I don't know. I like them. I think they're very pretty, cohesive. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And during the unboxing of the Beebeecraft video, I showed that I had ordered these through them, this die here, and it comes with these 3 little butterflies. And then, so it's just very easy to cut. So this is her it was very minimal poking. This, of course, came out real easy already. I probably should have used a little bit thicker cardstock, but she cut very well. And then here are the butterfly that cut with that. Very, very, very tiny butterflies. And so I have collared her with my alcohol markers that I just purchased. I don't know why I didn't think to cut these corners, but I should have. And then I realized that I had collared her legs all the way up here. And so you can see that I went a little under here, but that's okay. I'm learning, and so that's okay. I think that it's very pretty. Oh, I think, oh, should I stop here? Should I stamp a butterfly? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I wanted to put some stickles on here. And I said, no, just stop. Stop where you are. Just stop. So now I realize, you know, this is not all her legs. This is a dress. So, okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's okay. We're getting there. We're learning. We're learning. Okay, so now we're finished with that, and we just have the stamps left that I got through Beebeecraft. And so I'm just going to make a very tiny card real quick, and I mean tiny, little miniature card, just so we can see how well these stamps work. Okay, so here we go. Both of these cards. Yep. Learn some lessons on here. I think this cardstock is too thin. I think maybe I need to get some thicker cardstock. It's pretty thin, so I can't even tell you what pound this is, but I think it's very thin, so that's why it's going through there. So, but this was the idea, so lessons learned, lessons learned. I think this is very pretty. I think so far this is probably the best card I've made, and I just love this die. I just think this is so pretty. I just love those little butterflies. So I just want to try, since I'm not going to give this card to anybody. I think I'm going to try. I'm going to make a card something like this, but I'm going to make it a little bit better. But I will be making my mom's Mother's Day card this year. So I just want to see what it will look like with just a little bit of this twinkle stickles. See if it's just a little too much, or that's very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Very pretty. Okay. All right, I hope you enjoyed these projects, and I will all these will be in all the links will be in my description if you're interested, along with a discount code. I do believe it's 5% off with Beebeecraft. Yeah, I'm not trying to say anything. You can, make your own decision with that, but I really do like their dies. I think their dies are very well priced. You see how many you get. You see how well that cuts. I just enjoy it rather than spending a whole lot of money on dies that I don't have at this point. So, the stamps. I think the stamps are adorable. Just learning how to do all this, and so I thought I would just try to practice with my Beebeecraft items. But I think they're very cute. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and everybody have a great day. Have a great week. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.